Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to this month's Adult DIY. I'm Chris from the Covina Public Library, and this month I'll be showing you how to make your very own tin can bird feeder. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for the tin can bird feeder, all you're going to need is a tin can, some acrylic paint, some paintbrushes, and some ribbon. Okay, so you can begin by using the basis of these crafts is we're trying to do crafts that you can find all the materials in your home. So we decided with the tin can bird feeder, you can use Campbell's chicken noodle, tomato soup. I use my Progresso can. And what you go on to do is get some paint. And then you can go ahead and begin painting your can. So yeah, make sure you take off the label first. And you can choose whatever color you like, whatever color you have available. I'm going with blue. And with this, with the acrylic paint, you're going to want to do more than one layer. So after the paint dries, you can go ahead and add another layer of paint over it. And that's how it should look. And then once it's all dry, you can add another layer of paint and it should end up looking like something like this. So once you have the can all painted, the next thing you can do is add some decorations or symbols or anything you like, stickers or anything. I'm gonna try and draw some flowers. So you can use the yellow. And next, what I'm gonna do is blob a little circle and spread them out. And it doesn't matter if they're not perfect, the birds aren't gonna judge you. So just add some dots here. And after you add the dots, you can add the petals of the flower. Do purple. And I'm going to use a smaller paintbrush for that one. And then you just add some petals. The point of this, have some fun, get creative. Oh, I'm getting excited because it looks really good. Okay, and that's the idea for that. And then so after you finish, it should come out looking something like what I have here. Something like this, which is pretty neat. And what you can do is if you have a wooden dowel, a great idea is to use some hot glue and glue it to your can. This way the birds will have something to lean on while they're getting their bird seed. So that's why I added mine here. Just make sure you take off any sharp pieces from the lid of the can so the birds don't hurt themselves. And then after that, what you're going to want to do is, if you have some ribbon, you can use the ribbon to add a nice touch to your bird feeder. And it'll also be a way for it to hold onto the tree or whatever you're going to hang it on. So, fold it some here. So whatever ribbon you have, I also saw you can use string. This, and you can tie it as top as you need to, however long you want to be, depending on the tree branch, wherever you're going to hang it. And then it can hang something like this. You can add another one if you'd like. Make sure the goal is though just keep the wooden dowel at the bottom so that they can place the bird feed in there and they'll be able to hang it. And there's your bird feeder. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's Adult DIY craft. Make sure to tune in next month for another idea to add to your home. I'm Chris, and thanks for tuning in.